Hello from Slovenia again. I get a lot of requests to do an open cup with the black background with cells again, so I will just go again, and I think that I will add a little less black. I think that I have too much paint last time when I do white, and I don't know if this is the good idea too. I still have my paints with silicone mixed, so I will just use them. Let's start with yellow, and I will try to use less paint today, and red, and blue, turquoise, and I think that I will add some white here in between. Just a second, I didn't bring my white, and white doesn't have silicone, so let's add some white. And let's go with yellow again. Maybe I can bring you a little closer for this part, that you will see what is happening. It's just beautiful. And red. Let's finish up this red. Because I normally don't use silicone, but for this kind of pour I will. Some blue. I will list all the colors in the description box, so. And turquoise. And I'm just thinking that I will pour a little black here. Because I will dip the middle part with a glove, and I will pour a little black around. I'm reusing one of my canvases, so if you see something underneath, this is because I'm reusing one of my canvases that I didn't like. I will just do this because this will mostly go off, because I will spin it, but I want to have some flow extender that paint will flow easier. I'm just thinking, this is so beautiful, isn't it? I should have done this one without a silicone maybe, And this is this part. I will grab my glove. Maybe and I will try to dip this a little better than I did last one. And I will torch it now, but I will go real high because I don't necessarily want as much cells as I had the last time. I will just torch this black around a little closer. Let's wait a second. I don't know, my cells are not such a nice shape as the last time. I don't know, maybe my black was a little too thin. I'm just thinking to dip middle part once more. Let's see. No, definitely cells are not as nice as they were, and I get some weird reactions, so probably I think that my black was too thin regardless to other colors, I don't know. So weird. Just thinking what went wrong with these cells. I have this black mixed for a while, and maybe this is the problem. Or just touch the sides where I don't have paint. And then so weird. Let's over torch it. See what will happen. Let's create cells inside the cells, and maybe I will be able to cover these imperfections. I don't know. It's kind of a groovy look, I don't know. But I will leave it like it is. Not the same as the one with white. I think that I have more white, but I was thinking to add a little less black. And maybe this wasn't a good idea, or my mixture wasn't okay anymore, because it's really mixed for a long time. And maybe I had something mixed in that I forget and I didn't write down. But because cells don't keep their shape nice, I really don't know. I see that you have a glare. Just a second. Maybe this is better. kind of like this star in the middle. I don't know, I will leave it like it is and take you down for a close-up. It's kind of a groovy look. This one doesn't look like a stained glass. It looks like it would be done with a lot of tiny stones or something. See this star here in the middle? Kind of a cute. Has 3D look. I don't know. I'm really not sure about this painting. Maybe it will look nice when it will be dry, but I don't like these shapes of the cells. I really don't, because they are just not nice shape. So make peace, no war. It reminds me of those hippie times. So in memory of Woodstock and Janis Joplin and I don't know, Doors, Jimi Hendrix, Joe Cooker, Gatsby, I don't know, Queen. I don't know. Let's say that this one is a tribute to all the artists that participated on Woodstock. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.